I will never forget it. And this is probably an answer to some of the questions that are in there. But my mom came to visit me in prison and she said, I know you have it now. And I was like, what are you talking about? And she said, I can see the light in your eyes. She said, I've never seen that before. Even though I was in, a dark place, like I found my higher power there. And her just saying, her recognizing that I felt it, but she seen it. So I think right there is when we really started building the trust. And that first holiday being home, there was no one hiding their purses or locking up their medication that I seen. Um, and that was always, before. Like, no one left, everything was locked up away from me. So I think like once my mom seen that light in my eyes, like I said, she seen it, I felt it.